Infinite workflow, we got a plan. La 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 la, boom boom pow. Pabbly Connect, breaking limits now. SystemeIO, work smarter, hey. Chicka chicka, automate, yay yay.
Hello and welcome to this Pabbly Connect video. If you stick to the end, I will make you listen to a wonderful song about Pabbly Connect and Système.io, because that's the topic of this video, is to use Pabbly Connect in order to overcome a limitation of SystemeIO. First, what is this limitation? You know, in SystemeIO automation tool, which is the workflow, they have made security to prevent us from doing something eternally. I mean, for instance, to a workflow that will, when a new tag is put on a contact, is then remove the tag, do something, and set the tag again to the contact, so that it will run again this automation, this workflow. This behavior can be useful, for instance, if we want to send an email every day to a contact. So we can make this workflow. We could make it before, but now SystemeIO has prevented. So they detect and they prevent you from, I can show you here. You see, I did my client newsletter tag. If I want, at the last action, to apply a tag, so the mark is the same one, so that it will make a loop. If I try to do this one, create, they say this step creates an infinite loop. Please review this workflow and any other workflows that might be connected to it. So we cannot do that. And even if we want to trick it by doing two workflows, you know, with two tags, so that this workflow add a different tag, but we have a workflow with this other tag that will add the tag for this workflow number one, you know, to do the same thing with two workflows. Even before it was possible, even after they put the security in place, but now they detect even in multiple workflows. They want to prevent infinite loop. So with Pabbly Connect, we can do it. Why? Because SystemeIO cannot detect that we add the tag through a webhook. You know, so look at this automation. So when the tag is added, we remove it, we unsubscribe from the email campaign, and we send a webhook to Pabbly Connect. Then we wait 30 minutes and we subscribe to the campaign, again, the email campaign. What this does is that when the tag is added, it will send the email campaign again, you know. And this webhook does several things. I will show you, but most importantly, what it does is it puts again this tag to the contact, so that this workflow will run again. But we don't add it immediately, of course. In the Pabbly Connect workflow, we will wait for 24 hours, so that the email, because you know this campaign, email campaign, has only one email, so we want to send this email every day. And in the Pabbly Connect workflow that we will see, we will look at it now, but remember why we do this. So in this Pabbly Connect workflow, what we do here is simply to update some custom fields in the contact. The custom fields will be used in the email, the campaign email, so, and the value inside those custom fields will change every day, so that the email itself is different every day. And especially at the end here, we wait 24 hours and we add the newsletter tag to the contact, so that this step will create an infinite loop in SystemeIO. The things that we cannot do anymore only with SystemeIO. But anyway, you know, I was using already Pabbly Connect because to update the custom fields. This we had to do it. But then I added those two steps at the end to wait 24 hours and add the tag to the contact, so that it will call again the workflow. So this works perfectly. So maybe I can show you. I mean, you know how I add a newsletter tag. I can show you. It's with API from SystemeIO. So I let you look at it. You know, you don't need really me to show you everything, because it's very easy with Pabbly Connect. You just, once you know the SystemeIO API, you can use it to add a tag to a contact. I also use it before here to update the contact custom fields with today's date and a random text, which I take from here. For instance, in Pabbly Connect, to get today's date, it's a free task. You just ask for the date, it gives you the date, and then you can use it. Me, I use it in the custom fields of the contact, and I use it in the subject of the email in the campaign. So that's all really I wanted to show you. The most important thing is how to use Pabbly Connect in order to overcome the infinite loop security filter of Système.io. The things we cannot do, and if you want to do something, a workflow that repeats itself every day, or it could be every week or every month, it doesn't matter. You cannot do it anymore with SystemeIO. They prevent it, but you can do it with a third-party tool such as Pabbly Connect, and especially because you will be using it anyway in order to update the contacts custom field. So if you want more information about it, don't hesitate to comment on this video or to ask me. And you know, the part to update custom fields, I already did a video on this topic with the Pabbly Connect, so you can look at it. Here, I just wanted to show you how to overcome this new limitation of Système.io simply by using Pabbly Connect in order to apply the tag, things that we cannot do in SystemeIO anymore because they look and they prevent infinite loops. So that's it, and as promised, now you have the music video about Pabbly Connect and about this topic of SystemeIO. Enjoy, bye bye.
Boom, boom, clap, clap. Daily workflows today. System data on your own, tag it all the way. Pabbly Connect comes into play. Snap, bam, bam, ding, ding, plop, plop, yay. Tags in a loop, it's the Pabbly way. Whoosh, thump, clap, bam. Infinite workflow, we got a plan. La, 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 boom, boom, pow. Pabbly Connect, breaking limits now. SystemeIO, work smarter, hey. Chicka, chicka, automate, yay, yay. Swoosh, snap, clap, ding. Update those fields, let the email sing. Pop, pop, fizz, tic, tac. Daily campaigns, we've got your back. La, 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 boom, boom, pow. Pabbly Connect, making magic now. System.io, tags reappear, hey. Chicka, chicka, no limits, yay, yay. Blink. Whoosh, ping, plop, bypass the gloom. Chirp, ding dong, tick, tick, tag it back. Click, email campaigns on the right track. Thud. La 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 la, boom boom pow. Pabbly Connect, automation now. System.io, we're breaking through. Hey, chicka chicka, workflows for you, yay yay. Shh, boom, clap, tap. Swoosh, tags loop back, hey, pop, pop, pop. Automation every day.